Well, I had a busy first quarter. Due to health problems, I had 4 surgeries last year. I haven't been able to work in my shop for a long time, 15 months. So in the first quarter of this year, I just probably overdid it. I went nuts. I made a secret box, a carousel. I made this kit. I don't usually make kits, but this one was funny to me, so I made that. I made another carousel, a little mouse with a red balloon, 4 chickens who move different directions, a pyramid jewelry box, some hands holding my wife and I, Maggie, our family, extended family dog, and Valentine's Day bowl for Liz. Each of these projects has their own video on my website, The Wood Dabbler. If you'd like to see them in action, feel free.